Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove name tag from TikTok video. So when you download a TikTok video, it will include a watermark, a name tag or username that appears in different corners throughout the video. And through this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove it easily. The first method, you can just download TikTok video without the watermark, and this is the best option, so no need for extra editing. It will directly save without the name tag. So what you need to do is just open TikTok and find the video that you want to download, and here tap on the share button, the arrow button, and tap on copy link, and you can open a TikTok watermark remover from website or app such as Snaptik, Musical.ly Down, or SSS TikTok. So on my device in here, I already have this Snaptik applications that will allow me to download TikTok video without watermark. So once you copy link from TikTok, it will automatically attach on the Snaptik app. And as you guys can see in here, this is the preview of my of the video that I want to download. So you can just watch an ad first, and you will be able to download video without watermark, and the video will be saved to your phone. And the second method, you can crop the name tag. So this is the basic editing trick, and it's simple. If the watermark is near the edges, you can open your video editor applications such as CapCut, VN, KineMaster, or InShot, and you can import the TikTok video that you just downloaded. You can tap on new project. In here, you can just tap on add, and you can use the crop tool to use the crop tool, but you need to know that this may remove parts of the video, so you need to be careful. As you guys can see, when I use crop, then the object of the video will be also cropped, so you need to be careful, and I think this is not the best options. And let's move to the next method. You can blur or cover the name tag. I think this might be the alternative because you can just blur this name tags in here using the blur effect on CapCut by placing effects just like this. And you can also just use an AI video watermark remover because it will remove the watermark without cropping or covering. But you need to know that some of the tools are offer free trials, but also may require payment for HD downloads. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.